Hey friends, welcome back to Small Seconds, home of the 4-minute watch review. Today we're looking at an interesting model from a historic brand, the Zodiac Super Sea Wolf GMT, model Z09406. Before we dissect this beauty, let's rewind. Zodiac was founded in 1882 by Ariste Calame. For decades, Zodiac built a reputation for precision and adventure-ready timepieces. In 1953, the brand made waves with the original Super Sea Wolf, which was released close to and became as popular at the time as the Rolex Submariner and Blancpain 50 Fathoms. This watch is based off the original 1966 GMT release by Zodiac. The brand is now owned by Fossil Group, who's invested in purchasing a Swiss movement company and still produces pieces that are based around Zodiac's heritage. Let's talk about the specs on this piece. The watch features a brushed stainless steel case that measures 40 millimeters in diameter, 48 millimeters lug to lug, and 13.6 millimeters in thickness, hitting that sweet spot for most wrists. The dial is a black semi-gloss color with vertically brushed gold hands, a red GMT hand that somehow stands out yet blends in, and features the ability to keep track of time in 2 separate time zones at once. The brush indices are also a nice touch. On the face, we can see the Zodiac logo at 12 o'clock and the GMT automatic typeface at 6 o'clock. All of this is housed behind a sapphire crystal. The gold bezel and crown color should be noted as it's not too ostentatious like a lot of two-tone watches and almost has a classic look to it. One overlooked aspect I liked on the bezel is the green 12 o'clock triangle. Powering the Super Sea Wolf GMT is the Swiss-made Soprod C125 automatic movement. This movement offers 42-hour power reserve and operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour. It's important to note that earlier releases of this model that were considered limited edition used Swiss ETA movement, so this is a change from previous models. The watch comes stock with a nice two-tone bracelet, but we've put the watch on our Admiral leather band for this review. That being said, the two-tone bracelet also has a nice look to it, again with the right color gold that is tasteful and not too flashy. It comes with the standard Zodiac Oyster style bracelet that features a fold-over clasp. So my thoughts on this one. I have a love-hate relationship with two-tone watches. A lot of times they're way flashier than the pictures, which leads to people having disappointment when ordering one. The color on this watch is just subdued enough to work for most folks. I also want to emphasize that because of its subdued nature, this watch can go on a ton of different straps. Brown leather, black and gold NATOs, this watch can do a lot. You can expect to pay between $600 and $800 for this watch on the gray market, and Zodiac has recently released a newer version, but I think used, these are a great deal to offer some people to mix up a little bit of color in their personal collection. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, follow along on our journey. We appreciate all of you, and we love the feedback that we get in the video comments. If you like the strap in this video, feel free to shop at our store, smallsecondswatchreviews.com, where we've curated a collection of accessories and watches for beginner and intermediate collectors. And everybody have an awesome week. Cheers.